was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. In a duel, two contestants must fight. Duel, two. Have you stripped the thread of a screw? No visitors! Pay deduction for you!
What? And ruin all this frustration?
You have made a Merry Andrew of Rolf! For this you must! You have messed with the rest, now the best will make a mess! Implement of commercial enterprise!
Now look what you did!
Weasel in the henhouse, Eddy-boy! You dare cheat Rolf of his frontmost position? You mock Rolf yet again? With a potted shrub of ridicule? You have broken the celery stalk on the back of a sea urchin! Prepare yourself for an unmerciless beating, Fry Rolf's shoe!
I've had it up to here with your bad mood! Crack a smile! Bust a gut! Be happy! Get over it!
Hello, Eddy-boy! Any doors, yeah? Do not fool Rolf!
Are you some kind of troll or something?
Crazy! Do not fool Rolf! Everybody now!
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!